Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to start using Binance. First, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward using your email or phone number. After that, completing identity verification is crucial to unlock all the platform's features and higher limits. Don't forget to secure your account with two-factor authentication for maximum protection. This initial setup ensures a safe and compliant trading experience from the very beginning. Once your account is set up, funding it is the next step. You can easily deposit cryptocurrency if you already own some in another wallet. Alternatively, buying crypto directly with a credit or debit card offers a quick way to get started. For larger amounts, consider using bank transfer options, which often have lower fees. Binance provides several convenient methods to get your funds ready for trading. With funds in your account, it's time to explore Binance's features. The spot trading interface is where you'll buy and sell cryptocurrencies, so familiarize yourself with it. Beyond trading, you can explore various investment products such as staking or savings to grow your assets. For experienced traders, advanced tools for technical analysis are readily available. Binance offers a comprehensive suite for all your crypto needs. Now you're ready to trade. You can place buy and sell orders using various order types, like market or limit orders, to execute your strategy. Remember, security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication for all withdrawals to protect your assets. For more great content and deals, including information on the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Happy trading and stay secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.